here. And then after that, if you come to these is module 1, right? So that's the cover page of the book. And then after that, I just told you about the index of the book, right, regarding the chapter 0 to 11 in module 1 and 12 to 19 in the module 2. And then after that, I told you introduction and quick recap, in one which they have given the list of the EQCS. Excuse me. Let's you call it quality control and engagement standards, or engagement and quality control standards, one and the same thing, right? So engagement and quality control standards, wherein we have these 46 standards, right? So the entire list of all the 46 standards at one place has been given to you over here, right? Then some important abbreviations which we use in the class and in the notes, but obviously not in exam. Exam we only use the right hand side, not the left hand side. Right, we nowhere use any short form. Exam, we always use the full form for writing. Okay, right. Then some important terms. Right, so that is our chapter number 1, right? 0, sorry, right? Chapter number 0, which I'll be discussing with you, and then the SQC. Right, and in the SQC, we have just one standard on quality control, that is the SQC 1. Right, so again, talking about the audit quality SQC 1, the entire content of that particular standard on quality control. And then after the end of the standard, right, they have quality review control and peer review, quality review board, NFRA. And now, you know, in the new study material of ICAI, they've put 2 types of question. One is your test your understanding, which is more application based question, right, wherein in a real life scenario how you would apply that particular concept of the chapter, right? You have these TYU. What is the TYU? Test your understanding question. And then the second set of questions is your theory based questions, which is your test your knowledge, which we call it as the TYK. Right, so every chapter you will see 2 varieties of question: test your understanding and test your knowledge, right? So test your understanding and test your knowledge, right? So you see the test your knowledge questions over here, right? And again, after that, we see these 7 questions given over there, right? So like if I see the chapter number 1, chapter number 0, okay, chapter number 1, it is of 12 pages, right? Now in this 12 pages, if I happen to see, right, test your knowledge and test your understanding, right? So that is only coming from page number 9, 10, 11, 12, right? So and page number 8 little bit. So apart from that, theory part of the chapter is for 8 pages. Like what point I'm trying to make to you over here is like chapter number 1, there are 12 pages, but in those 12 pages, I can divide it this way, that 8 pages are regarding the theory of the chapter and 4 pages are for the question bank. Mota mota, है ना, more or less, that is the breakup. And 4 pages are of the question bank. Okay, right. So why not, ma'am, only have one book for theory and a separate book for the question bank? So the point of concern is, like, you know, here if I put the question bank immediately and I see some content which is exactly copy paste from the theory part of the chapter, I can give a reference over there. Right, I can give a reference over there, and obviously where it's a theory descriptive part, it has been mentioned over here. Like here, you know, you see this question number 1, there is nothing additionally which is required to be written. It is entirely from the theory of the chapter. So now if I make a separate book for the scanner, I'll have to repeat this entire content again over there. And again, it will further increase the number of pages. And it's always better that, you know, I study a particular chapter and immediately related to that particular chapter, what are the questions, and also separately, what are the MCQs for that chapter. If I get to see, that will lead to a more holistic preparation for that particular chapter. Right. So, you know, keeping that in mind, I prepared one more analysis yesterday that, you know, each and every chapter, like what I told you right now for the SQC1, how many are the theory pages in the chapter? 8 pages. And question bank is for the 4 pages. Right. So total number of pages in the chapter are 12. And how many test your understanding questions are there? 8. And how many test your knowledge questions are there? 7. And total number of questions in chapter number 1 is 50. Right, including all your MTP, RTP, study material, suggested, all possible questions which are there available. Right, all of that put together. Right, whatever was there in the old syllabus, what is relevant for the new syllabus, latest to latest of the MTP, RTP questions have been incorporated over here. Like if you look at chapter number 2. which is your 200 series, which I've been telling you, which has 200, 210, 220, 230, 240, 250, 260, 265, 299. And so 9 standards over there have been given in the 31 pages. And then 19 pages you have your question bank. And the test your understanding and the test your knowledge put together is for 19 pages. Right? So total 50 pages of the chapter number 2. And then how many test your understanding questions? 6 questions. How many test your knowledge questions? 53 questions. And from the entire 200 series, and total number of questions is 59. Right. So likewise, if I happen to take the total only of the theory pages of the book, right? So module 1 theory, 221 pages, module 2 theory is 196 pages. So it's 417 pages. Right? So many of you, you want a small book to study for audit. So my request is this big book, you don't look at the question bank. It works like a small book for you. And you say, no, ma'am, I want a scanner. मुझे सब exam के questions देखना. I want to see what type of questions. Wonderful. You look at the other half of the book. And you look at the 255 pages of the book. You understand? And apart from that, see, I am, anyways, you have joined the class. Anyway, you've purchased the notes. But I'm just telling you how this could be beneficial so that you get the maximum advantage. And then, in this particular 417 pages also, if you want to do the selective reading, and obviously few times before the exam, you read it in detail. Few times, you'll say, ma'am, few times, yeah, minimum few times before the exam. Audit is a subject which requires cumulative revision, but then you want to have a quick snapshot and like a quick review looking into the important points. Oh my god, even that work is done. You read only all the red color, you are sorted, and you happen to read all the key points over there. Right? So obviously every time you're not only going to read the key points, the red points over there, you will read the entire content, develop an understanding so that you develop your language for writing in the audit paper. But yeah, when I want to revise, I don't have the time to read the entire content. No problem. You read only the red color markings over there and you are good. Right? You read only the red color markings over there and you are good. Like see over here also, the markings have been done. Right? Do you understand? And oh my god, are you keen to look at the number of questions which are there in the book? Are you keen? I've shown you the number of pages of the book, but are you keen to see the number of the questions which are there in the book? Right? So yeah, we have 75 test your understanding questions, all taken from the study material of the ICAI, and 749. And that too, there are few questions which are marked with an or. Like, there are similar different questions, but same answer which is required to be written. Right? So even those type of questions, I have counted it as one over there and not counted it as a separate question. Right? So if I try to find out some example to convey to you, right? To yes, show you what I'm talking about. Just give me a few moments. Right, so oh my god, isn't it going to be a lovely discussion of the subject of audit? Right, so last few days have been very busy for me working on the content of the book and then waiting for a good product, the final product to be coming out, right, for the book. Okay. Right, so over here we have these different questions, and sometimes there are two different questions which are put over there, but the answer is one and the same. So even those questions we've counted, see, like this one, right? Question number 1 in essay 240, like there is a or given over there. Answer is same, but it's like a either or. Any of this question asked, this is the same answer you have to write in the exam. So even that we have counted it as one question only. Right, so it's not that if there are 4 such questions, then they are counted as 4. No, it is counted as one question only. Right, so likewise, you have these 749 questions which have been there and 75 test your understanding. Right, and then apart from that, obviously, you have the 1300 MCQs also. Right, so 800 plus 1300, I think you have good enough content for you to prepare for audit. Right, good enough content for you to prepare for audit. Okay, right, so don't get overwhelmed. The trend is like, no, ma'am, psychologically we feel good if it's a small book. If it's a small book, then what you'll have to do, separately refer to a scanner, separately refer to the detailed content of the institute study material, then also separately see the MTP, RTPs and all. Why you want to do all of that? You look into these pages over here and you are sorted. right? And you would be sorted. Okay, right?